Hello students, welcome to the virtual learning session of Raval Public School. Today for class 5th, we are here with another amazing topic, that is major landforms. Let's begin. In this module, you will study what are landforms, three major types of landforms like plateaus, mountains and plains. What are landforms? Landforms are the natural shapes called landforms. You can also say a landform is a natural or artificial feature of the solid surface of the earth. What are mountains? Mountain is a place on earth's surface that is much higher than land around it. You can also say a landform that reaches a high elevation. You know that 26% of the total area of lithosphere is mountainous. A group of mountains joined together is called a range, or you can say a chain. For example, Andes in South America. How are mountains formed? Mountains are formed due to the effect of certain internal forces like compression, pressure, volcanic eruption and deposition. Some characteristics of mountains. 1/8 of world people live in mountains. 1/4 of world landscape is mountainous. Half of the world people rely on mountain watersheds for fresh water. 3/4 of world countries have mountain ranges or high plateaus. 2 billion people depend on mountains for food, hydroelectricity, timber or mineral resources. Some advantages of mountains. Mountains serve as efficient barrier because they prevent us from getting attacked. They are the home to wildlife. They provide raw material like timber, rubber, wood pulp and so on. They are the centers of tourism and recreation activities such as hang gliding, rafting. Mountains are the source of many rivers which originate from glaciers and provide abundant water for human activities like irrigation, navigation. Mountainous forest also provides many products like fodder, fuel, gum, resins and many more things. You know that Mount Everest is the highest mountain in this world. Now, what are plateaus? Plateaus are comparatively flat areas but higher than the water bodies. You can also say is a highland area with a flat top. It is also called as the tableland as shown in the picture. And you know the percentage of plateau in the total area of lithosphere is 33%. How are plateaus formed? There are several different ways that plateaus are formed. The surface of the earth is divided into sections called tectonic plates. These sections move and often bump up against each other. When this happens, the land is pushed upward and a plateau is created. Some plateaus are created from the result of years of volcanic activities. When a volcano erupts, hot molten rocks called magma escape from inside the earth. Once it is no longer in the earth, it is called lava. This lava builds up and cools, and over time this layer of lava creates plateau. Some characteristics of plateau. A plateau is a flat, elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounding area on at least one side. Plateau occur on every continent and takes up a third of the earth land. They are one of the four major landforms along with mountain, plains and hills. And you know their height is usually from 300 meter to 1000 meter, but some plateaus are much more higher than this, and Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in this world and its height is about 6100 meter. Clear? Now, importance of plateaus. Some of the old plateaus are rich in minerals as their crystalline rocks are exposed for extraction of minerals. For example, in India, Chotanagar plateau is considered as the storehouse of minerals like coal, iron, manganese deposits. Lava plateaus are good for agriculture because of their fertile soil. Plateaus are great places of attraction for tourists. In some areas, plantation agriculture is also practiced. Now, what are plains? Plain is low, flat and wide landform. You can also say that it is also known as the lowlands. or you can say a broad, flat and low lying surface of land is called plains. It has many towns and cities, and it is where most people build their houses. How are plains formed? Scientists believe that the first plains on earth were created by lava from volcanoes. The lava pushed up through the surface of the earth and made some areas flat. Other plains have been formed by erosion, which occurs when air, ice, or water wears away at land and little bits of the land are washed away. Erosion can turn hilly land into flat lands. Some characteristics of plain: large areas of land, flat or gently rolling area, low in elevation, for example, the Great Plains of Central USA. Importance of plains: the soil is fertile and thus the land is agriculturally very productive. Most of the people settle in the plains region as flat land is available for transport for the building of houses, building railways. Since they are formed due to the action of rivers, water is available for agriculture purposes. In India, the Indo-Gangetic plains are thickly populated. If you see this map show all the landforms like mountains, Indo-Gangetic plains and plateaus. I hope you like this video. Thank you.